guys, well, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique, and today, not sure what I'm going to be doing. Just a look. I guess you'll see by the thumbnail because I'm clueless at this point. I've been doing a lot of editorial looks, so they're not like these big, super complicated cut creases, but I'm just really happy with how and where my artistry is at the moment, and I'm really loving doing a lot of the editorial looks, and I'll throw some screenshots up here of some looks I've done recently, and they're just so pretty and they don't take me a million years to do, and I enjoy that, and I just feel like you guys might like that too. I've been doing a lot of colors lately, and today I think I'm gonna go with an orange. So I'm gonna start off with this Colourpop Super Shock shadow, and this is in the shade By the Pound, and it's like this pretty orangey, creamsicle-y color. Just gonna take this on my finger and I'm gonna just place it right here. Now I do have mascara on because I just got a new mascara in PR, and so I did a little review on that. So this is super simple. You can see the orange a little bit, but it looks nice and shiny and sparkly, which is kind of, you know, what I'm going for. I'm just really enjoying the more simple look. Also, I think I should mention that on my eyes as a base today, I've used this Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Earthen. It's like a stick and you just, you know, lay it down. I've used this in tutorials before, especially like my go-to everyday makeup. But see how it just like looks like my eyes like contoured a little bit? That's what it does. And it gives like the most perfect base to lay down these more sheer shadows, because it, you know, does look like a natural contour there. So just going for something, you know, lighter and shimmery and pretty. You could leave this like this and this would be a beautiful daytime look. That's what I love about this. It's like sometimes I used to look at pictures of makeup that looked more simple, like more soft glam. I don't like using the word simple because I had a hard time figuring out how to do those looks. Even though they looked simple and it didn't look like they had much on, there's still an art to it, and trying to figure out how to achieve those looks is still work. It's still a little bit hard sometimes. I've really been using a lot of jewels recently, and I got a bunch from Amazon, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some different ones. These are literally just nail jewels, and here's some more. I got like tons and tons of them. So I think for today's look, I'm going to kind of leave this alone. I'm going to focus on this and just make like a wing sort of, but just using like little jewels. To adhere my jewels, I always use this House of Lashes adhesive. It's the best. I'm going to be using some different shades and styles of jewels today. And so right now I'm just going to work on the wing. And so I'm just going to lay down a little bit of glue here. I'm just going to go in with like different types, different sizes, different finishes. So there's like 4 different styles just right there alone, and I kind of just like it. And now I'm just gonna like fill in just like the wing part. Now to stick these on, I'm using 2 different tools, applicator tools. This one's like kind of like tweezers, but they're really sharp, like you could like literally stab yourself. They're super pointy and super sharp. The other is like this, I think it's like a wax pencil that you just tap on and it sticks it. Now this is better for the little tiny jewels, like this one right here. I could not pick up with this, but I could pick up with this and this one. But like the bigger ones, you need these. And a lot of times, both of these will come in the package with the nail jewels. This is looking so pretty. And there we go. We have like a nice, cute little wing sort of thing here that just kind of branches out. I'm trying to decide if I should bring it in any. I don't think so. I think I'm only going to leave it at that. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Now the hard part's going to be seeing if I can get these to match. Next, I'm going to dip into the Morphe X JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here, right up under my lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with this one. And then I'm actually going to take this shade called Flawed and Odd. It's got like more of an orangey, like coppery tone to it. I'm just going to like lightly tap it over the lid area so that it's like a little bit more orangey down towards on my lid part. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm just like barely tapping the color. I'm not going up here, I'm only keeping it down here on the lid. I'm going to add some lashes. These are Eleganza lashes by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I literally wear these all the time. I'm going to put white in my waterline. I've been doing this recently instead of darker colors just because it really helps to open my eyes up, and I feel like I have little small eyeballs. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Scenic Root. It's kind of a peachy color. And then I'm going to go over top of it with this Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. I'm going to go in with my JACLYN Hill Flash Palette and grab these two shades. And a little highlighter. I already had some of this on, so I'm just touching it up. Because I filmed another tutorial earlier. Put a little bit of that in the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit of this Pixie Glow Mist, spray it on my hand, and then dip my beauty blender in it. Go right over top of everything. Very lightly. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is what we came up with today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thor is throwing a fit downstairs. Charles just came home and he's barking up a storm. So I'm going to make this short so I can go get him, and you can probably hear him downstairs right now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.